All right, everyone, Ian Koniak here, and the day has arrived. I'm recording this at the end of December 2024, and at the beginning of the year, I set a goal called 2024. The goal was to do 20 pull-ups in a row, 20 explosive push-ups, and a 4-minute plank. And the reason I set this goal is twofold. Number one is I'm 46 years old, and I wanted to inspire other people that could be around my age, maybe younger, that you can get in the best shape of your life regardless of how old you are. And that's my job. I train salespeople, but my bigger job is I inspire people to perform at their full potential in all areas of life, not just sales, not just their business, but also in their health, with their families, with their marriages, with their finances. And for me, it's important to practice what I preach. So I wanted to do something really hard that would challenge myself and get in the best shape of my life. Second reason was my wife. I'd been running previously. I'd run a couple marathons, and my wife said, Ian, you're so scrawny. You got a runner's body. And I didn't like that. See, I want to look really good for my wife. When we met, I was a lot stronger, and she's like, can you get strong again? I said, okay, well, I got to go to the gym. So that is the number 2 reason. And for me, it's always important when you set a goal to have really, really strong reasons, or else you're not going to follow through with the goal. So for me, that's what I've been doing. It's called RAD goal setting. It's a strong reason, it's an ambitious goal, and D stands for Drastic Action. And for me to hit this goal, I had to hire a trainer. I had to come to the gym several days per week. I had to stretch daily. I had to practice like crazy. And ultimately, it wasn't today that mattered. It was the journey in order to become the person who was capable of doing this thing. You see, the purpose of a goal is not that you hit it. I don't know if I'm gonna hit it today. That's the truth. I've never done 20 full pull-ups. I've never done a 4-minute plank. But what I do know is that I am in the best shape of my life. And the purpose of a goal is not that you hit it. It's who it requires you to be, who it forces you to be to get there. And I feel great about the journey so far. If I hit it, great. If I don't, at least I know I tried my best. I'm going to pass it over to Shawn Couch. He's been my trainer. He's been my trainer this whole time. You can see Shawn is ripped. Show him the gun, Shawn. Yeah, this is who's been training me here at the Wreck-It Gym in El Segundo. Shawn, anything you want to add to this journey? How's it been? And anything you want to share about this journey working with me?
Yeah. I mean, I remember when you first told me your RAD goals and your idea of the RAD goals, and it was ambitious, because at that time, like, we were still working on your pull-ups. Like, they were around like 3 reps. Your push-ups were still coming along. Our planks were just getting developed. But like you said, in this past year, you've shown up in a big way. And so you guys set some rad goals, but Ian, you were pretty rad yourself.
All right. Well, let's see if we can do it, guys. Here we go.
Let's go.
See. We got this. All right. So as I said, I've never done 20 pull-ups in one sitting. The most I've gotten to was 18. So this is going to be a test, but I'm ready. And here we go.
Let's go, Ian. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, baby! Let's go!
One and done. Let's see if we can do the other 2. All right.
Hell yeah! Hell yeah!
So the next set in the 2024 challenge is 20 explosive push-ups. These are push-ups where you do a clap in midair. Normally I can do this, but I just came off doing 20 pull-ups and I'm feeling a little bit tired. So let's do what we can. Here we go.
Three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Woo-hoo! Let's fucking go, baby.
Let's fucking go.
All right, for this one, this has been my Achilles, the planks. I think the most I've ever done is close to 3 minutes. So I'm gonna set a goal of 4 minutes right now. This is pure mental toughness, this one. Because you hit a wall, and at that point, it's like, can you just stay? Or is your body just shut down? And so, I'm gonna do my best, but I've not gotten close to this one before. And so this is gonna be the biggest challenge of all, which is why we put it for last. And Shawn, when you're ready, you can start the timer. When I go up, same place.
All right, get ready.
Yeah, let's go.
3, 2, 1.
Now. Add 3 seconds.
Keep the fight up, brother. Dig in.
Is it 3?
In 3 minutes now. Keep fighting, brother. Keep fighting. That's it, brother. Dig. 3:30.
Fuck. All right.
Dude.
3:30.
Over 3:30. 3:33.
3:33.
That's a good number. That's a good number. I like that number.
All right, like I said, the purpose of a goal is not to achieve it, it's who it forces you to be. That is a PR for me, by far. And who it forced me to be was a guy who's a lot stronger. So just strong, fit, lean, healthy, best shape of my life. You don't always hit the goal. That's the lesson here. I hit most of it, pretty damn close. But the work you put in to get there is where the reward is. The prize is in the process. The prize is in the journey. The prize is in every day I got here where I didn't want to be here and I showed up anyway. So if you want to set goals that challenge you, that push you, I was so fucking close. It's that really genuinely test you. Join me January 7th, 10 a.m. Pacific time. I'm gonna be hosting a free goal setting webinar to kick off the year where we can set your rad goals for 2025 and you can challenge yourself to become the person you've always wanted to in pursuit of a goal that really forces you to change who you are and how you show up. Hope to see you guys there. If you wanna register, click right here. You can register in the link right there and I'll see you guys next week. Happy holidays, Happy New Year.